In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Listing Builder on Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign into your account and then hover over Products up here and then hover over Create and Optimize Listings. Now, the first thing you'll be able to see is Build and Optimize Listings, and then you can launch the Listing Builder by clicking on this button over here. Then the first thing you'll be faced with for the first time you're actually using your listing builder, you will see three options. You can either go ahead and create from scratch, so you can start with a blank or existing listing to paste changes with, or you can optimize your listing in case you've already connected your Amazon Seller Central account. If you don't know how to do this, I have a tutorial on that as well, so make sure you watch that first. Or you can go ahead and generate images with AI, and you can use AI to get photos for your listing, posts, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and create from scratch over here just to show you how to actually use this. I'm going to click Get Started. You have to select your marketplace here from the list, and then you can enter in your ASIN in case you have it. I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Building anyways. And then here you have a few options. First, you can either find keywords, you can add from your list if you have a list of keywords, or you can manually add them. For this instance, I'm going to just manually add them over here. I'm going to type in, for example, jump rope, jump, and then rope, and then fitness. Okay, there we go. So I just did that. I'm going to click on apply. And then in a few seconds, it's going to show me all the different keywords. There we go. There's search volume, keyword sales, etc. And then here I'm going to click on next. And now this is where the fun begins. This is where you can actually create your listing content. Now you can see your keyword bank over here on the left. You can see your listing analysis, your high scores, your quality scores, keyword performances, etc. And here on the right, you can then go ahead and start. So you can start either writing with AI. So if you want to, you can add in your product characteristics and AI is going to help you. Or you can just go ahead and type in your product title on your own. You can, of course, click write it for me if you want to. And then you have to go through the bullet points. You can add in the bullet points as well, the description, generic keyword, subject matter, and then the Amazon posts as well. So after you do all this, of course, you'll be then able to review it. You'll be able to kind of modify it using AI. You'll be able to perfect it and always go ahead and search. Look at here on the left where you can see a bunch of different things such as best practices and the keywords, their performances, etc. And then once you are done with this, just go ahead and click on finish up top, or you can link your listing to one of your products to enable direct sync into Amazon as well, in case you have connected Amazon already to your Helium 10 account. And then that's pretty much it. So it's pretty straightforward how to actually use this, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.